When escaping, it was important to travel without drawing attention to oneself. You could take to the forest or swamp in the hopes of finding safety and solitude. But are you alone? Close your eyes and listen. We are not alone. There is an orchestra of wildlife in the forest, which you can hear at Adkins Arboretum. These sounds help self-liberators camouflage vital communications. Harriet Tubman would imitate the low hoot of an owl to send signals. There was another survival skill that nature taught to those who paid attention. It came from our sly friend, the fox. On his flight from Kentucky, Andrew Jackson was pursued by hounds. He evaded them by using what he had learned from chasing foxes. He observed that the fox would run in circles and crisscross streams to tire and confuse its pursuers. So Jackson did the same. Which allowed him to gain safe distance for a moment on his over 600-mile journey. How far do we have left to go?